7th Standard Biology. Chapter 12 Reproduction in Plants. Today topic Asexual Reproductions. Today topic Asexual Reproductions. Reproduction in plants can categorize into two types. The first one is asexual reproduction. The second one is sexual reproduction. So, the importance of a reproduction. Reproduction allows the living organism to continue to the earth from one, to live on the earth from one. Okay, yeah. Then asexual, today we see in asexual reproductions. What is asexual reproductions? The new plants are produced without using the seeds. Now listen. The new plants are produced without using the seeds. In this process, generally the leaves, stem and roots participate in the reproduction. Generally, the leaves, stem and root participate in the reproductions. For varieties, fragments, budding, spore formation or vegetative propagations are some of the different types of asexual reproductions. The first one, shoot. A young plant is often termed as a shoot. Okay. Generally, a shoot is regarded. You see the picture. Generally, regarding to the part of the plant which has a stem, leaves and flowers. The shoot system. In this part is used for asexual reproduction. Node, second one, node. It is a part of the stem or branch of the plant from where the leaf arises. Listen, the first one shoot, the second one node, third one vegetative buds. Node, it is the part of the stem or branch of a plant from where the leaf arises. Okay. The next one, vegetative buds. Sometimes buds are present in the leaves that are capable of developing into shoot. These are called vegetative buds. These are called vegetative buds. The first one, vegetative propagation. Different types of asexual reproduction. The first one, vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? As the name suggested, this type of reproduction takes place with the help of the vegetative parts of the plant. Only one parent can produce the identical offspring in vegetative propagation. Listen, what is vegetative propagation? As the name suggested, this type of reproduction takes place with the help of vegetative parts. These are, what are the vegetative parts? Shoot, buds, and shoot, node and vegetative parts. Okay, these are used for vegetative propagation. Only one parent can produce the identical offspring in vegetative propagation. Okay. The vegetative propagation, the first one is cuttings. Okay, cuttings means, for example, rose plant. We taken the rose plant. You see that plants such as rose, cactus and bougainvillea can be propagated through cutting from their stem. The cutting stem is planted in a moist soil with eventually developed, individually developed root and shoot and grows into a new plant. A cutting is used for a new plant. Okay. So, first one is cutting. For example, cutting is used for cutting this way, rose and cactus, bougainvillea. Cutting best example, rose, cactus and bougainvillea can be propagated through cutting from their stem. The cutting stem is planted in a moist soil which eventually developed root and shoot and grows into a new plant. Okay. The second one is vegetative propagation for stem in potato. The second one is a stem in potatoes. This is called stem tubers. Vegetative propagation by stem, it's called stem tubers. Just like a tuberous roots, some plants have tuberous stems. Okay. These stems tuberous are stored in the nutrition and bear nodes. These nodes bear buds that form a new plant. For example, potato. You see the potato pictures, the outgrowth are seen. These outgrowth are called eye. Okay, these outgrowth are called eye. A small scare of the stem first produce a scare, then the scare of the scale leaf are produced, then germinating eye bud is formed. Okay, this is a potato plant sprouting from an eyes. Okay, then second one is ginger. Ginger is a new plant sprouting from it. It is another one vegetative propagations. Then we goes to a next one, a leaf part. The leaf part, some plants have leaves that contain buds that can develop into a new plant. For a best example, bryophyllum. The best example is bryophyllum. Okay. Then we goes to a sweet potato. Next one, vegetative propagation by roots. This is a root. Root part is used reproduction, asexual reproduction. So the plants have tuberous roots, that is root which are used as storage organs in plants participate in vegetative propagation. In order to grow new plant, these tuberous roots are sown in the soil. There are buds present on the fruits and grow above the ground and a new plant is formed. Best example, sweet potato and dahlia. Okay, for best example, sweet potato and dahlia. So these are vegetative propagations. It takes less time to grow and bear flowers and fruits earlier than those produced from seeds. The new plants are extracted copies of the parent plant as they are produced from a single parent. You listen, it is produced a single parent. Okay. Then next one, next session we goes to a budding. Next class we will meet the new topic budding. Okay. Thank you.